Welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today we're making this solid granny square. You will require some yarn and a wool yarn or wool, whatever you are calling it, and a crochet hook of the appropriate size. I'm using a 3.5 and a darning needle and a pair of scissors. If you don't have a darning needle, that is fine also. You'll start this by making a magic circle and chain 3. Now work 3 double crochets into your magic circle. Chain 2. Now make 4 double crochets. Chain 2, 4 double crochets, chain 2, and another set of 4 double crochets. Chain 2. You will have 4 sets of 4 double crochet clusters. Pull your magic circle tight by pulling the tail. Now you're going to slip stitch into your chain 3, the very top of it. Please be advised, chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet throughout this pattern. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, or on top of those double crochets that you just made. That'll give you a total of 4 double crochets. For your corner, make 2 double crochet. Now you're going to chain 2 and another double crochet, 2 double crochet. So your corner is 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet throughout. Make 1 double crochet over the next, onto the next 4 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. You repeat for this round. In the corners, 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. In the centers, you'll have 4 double crochet. 1 double crochet on top of each double crochet. So you'll put them there and there. Once you've made your last corner, please slip stitch into the 3rd chain that you've made, row 2 complete. For row 3, chain 3, counts as 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. So that'll be 2. I'm counting the 3 double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6. Your repeat starts right now. You'll make a corner, which is 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet in the 2 chain space. Now you're going to work 1 double crochet in each of these DCs here, or stitches. There's 8 of them in total. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you will repeat your corner and your 8 double crochets, corner, 8 double crochets, corner, and that's where I'll meet you. Once you've made your last corner, you will make 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet per stitch. So that's 1, 2, and join with a single crochet in the top of your third chain. So that is row 3. Row 4, chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you include the 3 double crochets, it's 8. Now you're going to make your corner, and your repeat starts from now, which is 2 double crochet, 2 chain, followed by 2 double crochet into your 2 chain space. Now we're going to make 1 double crochet in each of the next 12 stitches on the side. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you will continue to do your repeat, which is a corner, 12 double crochets, a corner, 12 double crochets, and a corner, and this is where I'll meet you. Once you've made that last corner, 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to do this invisible stitch. So I'm going to cut my yarn, pull my needle out, thread this darning needle, I'm going to go, I hope you can see this, into the stitch, the top part, turn my work, go through the 2 back loops. Look at that. This is the joining stitch, the invisible stitch basically. And I'm going to work my tail away. Snap. Do the same thing with the next one. The tail came out. Let me just rethread this needle. There we go. And here's your solid granny square. I am going to post a short. I've made quite a few of these. Over 70. And I've turned them into a jacket, coat type of a thing. But I'm still busy with the arms and the front of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please take some time and like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, enjoy crocheting. If you make something, please tag me in your video. Happy crocheting!